Hello friends, this is Chavi and I welcome you all in this banking awareness show. Yes, in this session we will discuss banking, and in this session we will discuss Nabard, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, Exim, that is Export Import Bank of India, and Sidbi, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India. So let's see specialized bank. So there are many specialized banks in India at present. First is Nabard. Second one is Exim. And third one is Sidbi. So these are the banks working in a particular area. Like Nabard is working for agriculture and rural development. That is why Nabard is known as National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Here Exim stands for Export and Import Bank of India. So its area of working is import as well as export. Okay. Sidbi stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. So Sidbi is working for development of micro, small and medium scale enterprises. We will discuss further. Okay, so let's talk about Nabard. The full form of Nabard is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Again, establishment of Nabard. So Nabard was established in 1982. Again, headquarter of Nabard. So headquarter of Nabard is in Mumbai, that is commercial capital of India. So Mumbai, headquarter of Nabard. Now let's see who is the chairperson, current chairperson of Nabard. So Chairperson Mr. Harsh Kumar Bhanwala, or you can say H.K. Bhanwala. Okay, so under which act Nabard is working? Like RBI is working under RBI Act 1934. Our banks are working under Banking Regulation Act 1949. The same way Nabard is working under Nabard Act 1981. So act related to Nabard. So it's Nabard Act 1981. Fine. If I talk about Nabard, so Nabard is not wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, because Reserve Bank of India, or we can say RBI, is not owning the 100% shares of Nabard. Okay, fine. So if I talk about shares or equity, so there are two authority. First is Government of India and second one is Reserve Bank of India. So Government of India is owning 99.60% shares, equity shares in Nabard, and remaining shares, that is 0.40% shares, are owned by Reserve Bank of India. So let's see other facts of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So there are two subsidiaries of Nabard. First is NABCOM and second one is NABFINS. So their functions, their working are different. We can say NABCOM stands for Nabard Consultancy Services, and NABFINS is Nabard Financial Services. So here NABCOMs is company, we can say, providing services to agriculture sector, allied sector or rural sector. And NABFINS is a NBFC company, non-depository type NBFC, which is providing its services in rural area, credit facility in rural area and area related to agriculture, or we can say allied sector of agriculture. Fine. Now let's see the other important facts of National Bank for. So friends, now let's move to another specialized bank, that is Exim. Yes, now we are discussing other specialized bank, Exim. So Exim stands for Export Import Bank of India. Yes, the aim of Exim is to provide finance for exporters and importers, we can say. The objective of Exim is to increase export in India. That is why Exim was established in 1982 and its headquarters is in, again, Mumbai, same as Nabard headquarters. Okay. So its chairperson. So at present, chairperson of Exim is Mr. Yaduvendra Mathur. Yes, Mr. Yaduvendra Mathur is present chairperson of Exim. If we talk about again objectives, so to provide information about international market, risk involved in it, finance to the exporters and importers. So these are the main objective of एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. अगर यही बात करते हैं एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की, तो निर्यात और आयात से रिलेटेड ये बैंक है. तो सीधी सी बात है कि एक्सपोर्ट जितना बढ़ेगा उतना ही हमारी इकोनॉमी को फ़ायदा रहता है. एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ने से जो आपका फॉरेन करेंसी है वो इंडिया में आता है और ये हमारी इकोनॉमी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. एंड एक्सपोर्टर्स आर प्रोवाइडेड इंश्योरेंस फैसिलिटी अंडर Exim by its subsidiary, that is ECGC. Yes, now I'm talking about the subsidiary of Exim. Now subsidiary of Exim. So ECGC, it is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. So ECGC is providing insurance facility to exporters for their goods. Now I'm talking about Sidbi, that is Small Industries Bank of India. Now let's see the establishment of Sidbi. The establishment year of Sidbi is 1990. Again, which is the headquarters of Sidbi? It is in Lucknow. Now, what's the aim, or we can say objective of Sidbi? So, to provide financial facility to micro business, and the focus of Sidbi is small businesses, is on small businesses, or we can say micro, small, medium scale enterprises. Micro, small, medium scale enterprises are supported by Small Industries Development Bank of India. The concept of MSME was given by Mr. Muhammad Yunus. So friends, the concept of MSME was given by economist of Bangladesh. He was Mr. Muhammad Yunus. Fine. He is Bangladesh economist. He is Nobel Prize winner also. Nobel Prize winner. So one remaining point related to Sidbi is who is the present chairperson of Sidbi. So let's talk about chairperson of Sidbi. At present chairperson of Sidbi is Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji. So it was a brief introduction about specialized bank, Nabard, Exim and Sidbi. So friends, now I am going to discuss the functions of commercial banks. So let's see the functions of commercial bank. So the function of a commercial bank is divided into two parts. First is primary function and second one is secondary function. Fine. So if I talk about my primary function, if I am a teacher in a school, so my primary function is to teach students. But if I am distributing study material, I am accepting receipts, I am accepting fees, so these are included under my secondary function. So banks are known for accepting deposit and to provide loans and advances. That is why we can say primary function of banks are accept deposit and provide loans and advances. Now, what are the secondary functions of a bank? So, first is to provide locker facility. So, the secondary function, first secondary function of a bank is to provide locker, or we can say vault facility to public for their valuable assets like gold, cash, we can say cash, gold, home papers, vehicle papers, other things. Okay, so it is included under secondary function of bank. Now let's see other secondary function. Foreign exchange dealing. Foreign exchange dealing. Third is transfer money from one account to another. So, a person can transfer his money by using check, pay order and other facility. So, these are the functions included under secondary function of our commercial bank. So, friends, in this session we discuss the specialized bank. In our next session, we will discuss what are the primary functions, the various types of deposits, loans and advances.